The world is changing, transforming quickly. We are in a predicament. We're in between the left and the right. The center is somewhere in between. It's like humanity is at the wheel. We're driving a car. We're trying to stay awake at the wheel. But we're nodding off. We're starting to fall asleep. And we've just got a few years to make some really important decisions, to wake up, to wake up. Wake up before we fall asleep at the wheel and end up hitting a tree head on. The tree is our species survival, the survival of humanity. Based upon the decisions we make today, the world is changing. Rainforests are without trees, oceans are without fish. We're stratifying wealth into the hands of a few. The poor are gaining in number. And the systems are based upon competition. Competition, we're fighting over resources. We're unable to share. And as we further dig a hole deeper for ourselves, we're stuck within this idea that survival is based upon competition. But really, in order to survive as a species, we need to learn how to cooperate. We have to know how to cooperate in order to get out of this mess. We have to transcend our biological instincts. Biological instincts of predator and prey. Humanity can move past this predicament if we could simply increase our consciousness and think about other life instead of just our own. There's enough in the world for human need. There's not enough in the world for human greed. There's enough in the world for human need, not enough in the world for human greed. And our greed has created these systems which value profit over the lives of people. As lives are being lost underneath the roofs of falling buildings, earthquakes, tsunamis, flash floods taking the lives of millions of people homeless. And instead of being able to respond and to save the lives of people who are literally living without food to eat and medicine to protect them from disease, all we can worry about and think about is what kind of clothes we wear and what kind of cars we drive. We have to make a choice today. This is our chance. Wake up. Don't fall asleep at the wheel. This is not just the story of one. This is the story of all. We are working together. And working together is the only way we will survive. It's not about survival of the fittest. It's about survival for all of us. And survival is not just based upon competition. Survival needs cooperation. In order to survive, we have to learn how to cooperate, how to work together, how to lift each other up. Before we run out of water, fresh drinking water, before we run out of clean air, we can do something now, today. Wake up. Don't fall asleep at the wheel. Wake up. Survival for all of us.